If you want to create a LinkedIn company page or a LinkedIn business page, then you have come to the right video. So in this video, I will show you how do you create a LinkedIn company or a LinkedIn business page. So let's get to the browser, open up the browser and go to linkedin.com. And there at the top section, you just have to go to for business, click on it, a drag down will appear and scroll down. At the end, you can see on the right section, it will ask create a company page. Click on this option and then you just have to select your own options according to your preferences. If you have a small, medium and large businesses, you have to create a company page. And if you want to showcase your business, then you can create a showcase page. Or if you have an educational institution, you can create a school and universities educational institution page. So I will just create a business page, company page. I will just click on this option. And then there you go. We just have to enter your company's name right here. Let's say I name it this. And then there it will ask you to put your website name, your industry. Industry means your business category to your business falls in. So it can be whatever, it can be construction and it can be property, it can be clothing brand, it can be a furniture shop and whatever. So I will just put in, so I will just put in real estate and there you go, real estate. Organization size, select the size. If you have, select the option to which your company is live. Select the option to which your company lies in and click your organization type. Choose the logo, choose your tagline, and then you have to create on create page. So wait for a few moments. And that's it. Your company page has been created. So you can customize it later in the settings. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.